Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations Crafttube Flosstube. My name is Tia. Today is it's Thursday the 20th. So last night the new prompt was released for the Roxy's Journal of Stitchery Volume 4 Treasure Hunt. So this is my rainbow stitched lookbook that I'm making following those prompts. So the first prompt was monogram, label, initials, which I've shown you, but the new prompt is treasured lace. Now I don't have any treasured lace as such. I've got laces that I've bought or been given, or nothing sentimental, which is what I was thinking. But what I've come up with is I've got a beautiful photo of my mum, and this is it here. Now that is treasured lace. So what I've done is I've printed this onto, I've scanned the photo, I've printed it onto this heat transfer paper, and I'm going to put this onto some fabric and embellish it. So that's what we're going to do today. Now let's move that out of the way. I've got a piece of fabric here, so I'm just going to put it onto a piece of calico, and then to embellish the page in my lookbook I've got this fabric. Now this is just beautiful, and I'm going to use this to embellish and enhance the photo and somehow. So let's start. Let me heat up my little heat press. And then we'll iron this. That isn't on. Yeah, it is calico. It's a big piece. I don't need that much, but I'll tuck that down there. We'll give this an iron. Probably don't need that much, do I? So just go to there, and I need some scissors. Where are all my scissors gone? That's the next question. 2 seconds. These scissors I have to hide, because if they're just out on my desk, then apparently they're free rein. So I put them away every night because they just get touched. But we'll give that bit of fabric an iron, and I'll turn that phone off because that's just going stupid. Be quiet. Okay. Yes, so when I was, and I know this because when I picked my son up from work the other night, he said to me, "Mum, did you see my little craft project?" And I said, "Well, actually, yes, I did." I said, "How did you do that?" So he rebuilt a computer, which he's been doing forever, since he was little. He was able to build a computer since he was about 7. He's nearly 17, and he had and the new one that he's got is got clear sides, so you can see all the guts of the inside of the computer. And he's decorated the outside, I think it must be like a tempered glass, but he's decorated it with vinyl. And I said, how did you do that? And he said, I used your Cricut. And I said, what do you mean? And he said, I watched some YouTube videos and I made my decal. I said, oh, did you now? He said, yeah, it was heaps of fun, Mum, I enjoyed it. I said, right. But the thing was, he'd put away every single piece of evidence to show that he had used it. There wasn't one single thing out of place that would indicate that he had done it. Anyway, he said he was up till 3 in the morning doing it. Bless his little cotton socks. And then he said, but that transfer tape, Mum's rubbish. He said it didn't stick and I had to use the heat gun. I was like, oh, okay. But yes, so after watching YouTube videos, he said I use Cricut Design Space, and I said, right. So yes, that's how I know. Yeah, nothing's sacred around here. Okay, right now, so that's all ironed, and then that's going to go on there, and then what? I think upward, yep, cover, okay. So now okay, that's going to go over there, and then we're going to firmly iron. I'm not too worried about the white because that will probably get trimmed away, but definitely all the other parts. So I will either speed this part up or I will edit it out, and I will be back soon. Okie doke. Now, I think that is enough. So, it's still very, very hot, but it is now a piece of fabric that I can stitch on. So I'll keep it in keep the white on there, so that it gives me a bit more space, you know, to hold, and then I'll trim it down so that it can go in my journal. But yes, that's my plan for this prompt for this fortnight. So I will head off now and start embellishing this, and I will come back in a few days with an update. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you all again soon. Thanks, bye.